How to buy coins on eFootball 2025 mobile. Now there are ways that you can actually win some coins, which is my club coins, by playing some events or matches or completing the campaigns. But if that's not enough and you choose that you want to buy some coins, you can always buy them anytime by going to the shop option from here, and from here just selecting eFootball coins. Once you select eFootball coins, here you can see the amount of coins that you're going to get. So currently Konami is maybe on a discount phase. They are actually giving you some greater value right here, so you can simply go ahead and select a certain amount of coin that you want to buy over here, let's say. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and then click on this start to play with Google Play. So if you're using on Android, you can also pay using Google Play by tapping on one tap to buy option. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.